Okay, here's a tutorial in Windows 8.1 related to registry files, how to add the content of a registry file to the Windows registry silently. So if I double click on the file, it's already displaying a window, yes or no to add it to the registry, yes, and it's showing a second window that it was successfully added. Okay, so let's see how to hide those two windows. Let's right click here and go to new and text document. So we want to create a text document, name it as you want. I will call it test. Enter. Now let's copy the file name of this one, file name and extension also, copy. Okay, enter the text file, paste in that name and go in front of it and type in regedit and /s and that file name. So the registry editor silently will add to the registry that file. Close it, yes to save it. Click on the file name and modify the txt into bat. That's a batch file. Press enter, yes to change the extension. So if I double click this one, it's showing 1 and 2 windows, but if I double click this one, a command prompt window appeared, no click was needed, and it disappeared. Once again, just a window appears and disappears. If you want to hide that command prompt window also, then drag it with the mouse right key, create a shortcut, and you can go to the properties of that shortcut, and here on the shortcut window, run, let's say minimized, run it minimized, close it with OK, and now only down here you will see a small window, icon, and that's it. Once again I double click on it, a window, an icon appeared here and it disappeared. So these two windows were hidden.